All right, in today's lecture, we're going to be learning how to draw round objects in perspective. Now, this is very important if you want to draw more than just cubes in perspective. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at this square right here. Now, this square represents the flat surface of one of the planes of, let's say, a box in 2D or in 2-point perspective. Well, we need to figure out how to create a round object within this that we can replicate even when the square is warped into perspective. So first, what we need to do is we need to draw an X through this. So we're going to draw an X from one corner to the other. So one line like so, and then we'll draw the other one like so. And so what does this do? Well, this tells us where the exact center of our square is. Or if this was a rectangle, it'd tell us exactly where that center is. So when you're in perspective, let's say you're in perspective like so, and that's your plane, well, you can still do the same thing. You can draw a line from there and a line from there. And now you know exactly where the middle of this plane is in perspective, because this is going to be wider than this part, yet that's still the center. So once we know where our center is, we need to go ahead and draw a plus sign through this. So basically we need to draw one vertical line through the center like so, and then we need to draw one horizontal line through the center like so. And so now what we can do is we can draw a diamond within this square. So we're going to draw a line from this corner to that corner, just like so, and we want to do that all the way around our box. All right, perfect. So now we have our diamond. The next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and draw a circle within this square. So the reason why we're doing this is because we're trying to see where that curvature is in comparison to this straight line. So a circle is going to basically come to about here, and then it's going to curve back down to this point like so, and it'll do the same thing right on over to this side. And then we need to go ahead and do that all the way around our circle. And this actually needs to come out just a little bit more. All right, so there's our circle. So basically, by drawing this diagram, we have a good understanding of how to recreate the circle on a plane that's in perspective. So what we want to do now is we want to apply this to a perspective drawing. So we're going to start off by drawing our horizon line. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our 2 points. So we'll add one vanishing point there and another vanishing point right here. Then let's go ahead and draw our vertical line like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect this. So I'm going to connect one to that bottom point, and I'm actually not going to have it this tall. I'm going to go ahead and only bring it to